Can't nobody get up in my car today. Backseat, feeling like a charter plane. Bumping silk the shocker, charge it to the game. Paint dripping like I'm whipping marmalade. Look at the way that I'm shining. I don't be checking the mileage. She said, how much is that rollie? I said, don't worry, I'm timeless. Watching Toy Story 3, that's a great fucking movie. City of Jimmy Kirk Quincy. City of me, Eddie and Bruce Lee. Woo. King of the road, I drive slow like woo. And I just switched over to Geico like woo. Celebrating these life goals, but you ain't getting no ride home. I be riding through the town, my music loud, windows down, yeah, you can hear me now. I turn it up, I need that bass, and my chain so I can see.
Yan ang gagamitin ko ngayon. Syempre, hindi naman sa kukuripot ako o nagtitipid. Pwede ko naman kunin itong MT-06, KTM, BM, at MT-09. Kaya lang, syempre, doon ako sa mas gamay. Doon ako sa mas, alam niyo na, syempre, kabisado mo na yung motor eh. Ingat ka na, mag-iingat lang tayo. Una-una, wala ka sa bansa natin. Bye, ma'am! We're going home. I'll see you.
Okay. Hello, I'm Stephanie, and I hope you will visit Singapore and come to rent bike from Ban Hock Hin. See you.
So ito yung leasing agreement sa Ban Hock Hin. Ilang pirma yan? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ito ngayon sa showing sa yung mga taga BHH. Naasikaso nila itong gagamitin ko XMAX. Siyempre, XMAX Wacky Rider versus Singapore. Okay, isa sa mga deal dito, haba ng pahaba ang araw na pag-rent mo, pababa ng pababa yung presyo. Madami akong tinignan na leasing company or rental company ng mga motor, hindi sila pumapayag ng one day. So kung kayo pupunta sa Singapore, isa to, no? Nag-aalaw ng one day rental. Gan sila, kaso yun nga lang, mabigat, may insurance eh. Magde-deposit ka, makukuha mo naman after 2 weeks, no? Katulad nito, then ang deposit is 600. Either credit card, no, credit card lang ang pwede unless may kilala kang local dito or mga illegal OFW. So sa akin, may kaibigan ako dito, may kaibigan kami, nag-deposit ako, kinuha ko yung local account niya, bank account, para after 2 weeks doon ibabato sa solid, then isang solid sa Pilipinas sa akin. So nandito tayo ngayon sa BHH. Today is Friday. Mamaya pupunta po tayo sa, meron tayong isang nakitang videographer, no? Nakilala natin nandito. Oh, mukhang umulan, huwag ka munang umulan. Ayan ang mga kalaban. Kalaban niya ng mga riders, pero wala akong pakialam. Kahit mabasa tayo, nasa Singapore tayo, dito tayo mag flyby at full throttle. Okay. So I think ready na. Chinek lang nila ang bago pahiram. Sila dito sa Singapore. Mahigpit, maraming camera, malinis. Ang problema ko lang, alam niyo kung anong problema ko? Right hand drive dito. Okay na naman ko, right hand drive.
Okay, this is called the IU unit.
IU unit?
Yeah, inbuilt unit.
Again?
Okay, IU.
IU?
IU. This is the cash card.
Cash card?
Right, I have about $7 here.
Okay.
Right?
Can you just give me that?
No. Okay, wait, this connect to the machine. Ignition is on. When I slot this in, face upwards, yeah.
Okay.
You see about $7.
Okay.
Okay. So every time you stop, you want to go back home, you just pull it out.
I'll just put it in while driving.
Yeah. While you're driving, you just put it in. Make sure you have sufficient amount, and then you just put it in. How many days you rented?
I want it 1 day only, but I want it to 2 days. Maybe I can call and extend. I don't know.
Okay, you just top up over $10.
$10 for 1 day.
But
Alright.
if you are going into a shopping center, then you just make sure that you have enough balance. This $10 is
For the parking?
Yes.
Ganun lang kasimple. Okay, lahat dito binibili. Bawat galaw, bawat hinga, kahit saan naman eh. That's it.
Yeah, so if you hear a long beep or while riding you hear a red color light down here, beep, beep, like that, then
Mhm.
it's
Have no more load.
you have load but it's insufficient.
Okay, so I have to load
Yes.
at once. What happened if I pass through a ERP without load?
Without sufficient fund in the
Without sufficient fund.
in the cash card, and then if you enter ERP, you have about $8 to $10 fine. Fine of $8 to $10.
Lilimandaanan ka dito. Oh God. Pero okay lang, kaysa naman you disobey the law. That's it? We're good. Thank you, sir.
No
Your
problem.
name?
My name is Harish.
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 Oh, yung mga kaibigan ko dyan sa... Alam niya na. Hindi ka naman Punjab.
No, I'm Indian.
Ang Indian. So, akala ko, kaibigan ko, kamag-anak ko. Andito kami. Andito kami ngayon! Tapos na ang full throttle. Kaya hatid ko na ang XMAX. Tapos ako hiniram. So, dapat bago mag-6, masauli ko yun. Kasi pag nagsara yun, pipick upin nila dito. Itutow nila, sisingilin nila ako. So, that's it. Subscribe na kay Wacky Rider. Aba. Bakit ang dami nakikiparada dito sa parking lot? So, yeah. Aber. Palabas na kami ng UCW. Nice experience. To catch our flight. Ano? UW. O basta may U, tsaka may W, tsaka may C. United World College. Siyempre, nakontra na naman ako. Counter Strike. BM lang service namin dito. Okay mga kamotor, ito po yung hiniram natin, yung nirent natin sa Travel Recommends. parang pocket wifi siya. So, very effective. Kung saan ako punta, sa bundok, sa lalim ng dagat, shoot, meron akong wifi kahit saan ako pumunta. Pero syempre sa Singapore, marami ng hotspot dito. Pero meron pa rin wala. Katulad nung pinuntahan ko sa Mount Favor, nandun ako sa bandang gitna ng park, wala doon. Walang wifi doon. Pero ito, very effective. Pag kailangan nyo bumiyahe, kailangan nyo mag-vlog, kailangan nyo ng wifi, do not forget, highly recommended. Travel recommends, pocket wifi. Yung inom na inom ka na, tapos ayaw mo mag-bar kasi nagtitipid ka na lang, kaya pumunta ka sa 7-Eleven alas 12 ng gabi para bumili ng beer. Tapos eto pa, Diyos ko, mga mambabarik, huwag kayo pupuntang Singapore.